Hello everyone, welcome to our channel CrazyBob and Mom Shop. And today we're going to do our another episode of Meal of the Day. So today CrazyBob is going to show you how to make one of Belgium's meatball specialty.
Boulets
And they call it
Liégeoise.
here, what is it again?
Boulets Liégeoise.
Okay, it's Boulets Liégeoise.
Now we're going to make first the balls. You take haché.
It's the
Buff pork.
pork and beef ground
Onion.
meat.
Onion.
Yeah.
White bread or brown bread. What you got? Little bit milk. And you squeeze everything. Must be small pieces. Two pieces of bread.
Sliced bread.
Yes. You put it inside. And then one egg completely.
So this meat is 1.5 kilos.
Yeah, it's for lots of people. It's for 9-10 people. Egg. Salt. Salt. Pepper. Pepper. And my secret, I put always a little bit paprika. And then persil. Persil! Yeah. Yeah, I got all, I think, yes. Then you mix all.
So this first part is about how to make meatballs. So this is the traditional way of making meatballs by CrazyBob. It's a homemade.
No, it's a cooker who showed me. A Belgian cooker who showed me how to do the boulet. The real boulet liégeoise. That's ready. Then, don't forget to wash your hands every time.
Breadcrumbs.
Yes. Not too big. Not too big the balls. Not nice. It's not nice.
It's nice.
190 degrees on the ring. Yeah.
So with 1.5 kilos ground meat, you can make approximately between 15 to 20 meatballs.
Okay.
So it's ready now to be put in the oven.
Put in the oven. You let it cook 35 to 45 minutes. It depends. Depends on the biggest of the bowl. Okay. This is the end of the first part. See you later.
So we are now at the part 2, which is making the sauce for the meatballs.
You will need 2 big onions. If you haven't got big ones, 4 small ones. You need brown beer. Brown beer. You need raisin, a little bit raisin, and then you need syrup. Syrup of
This is a special syrup for the sauce,
the brown sauce.
brown sauce. So it is composed of, it's like a jam,
Yeah, jam
apple jam and pear.
and pear. Yes. You cut the onion. Doesn't need to be so small, huh? See, it's not too small. Put it in the kettle and you let it cook. Must come soft. Yeah. Two big spoons. Not too much because it's very, very sweet. Let it cook a little bit. You put it slowly. Okay. You take the raisin. Any reason you take. You put 50 grams, not too much. Then you take the brown beer. Put it inside. Yes, I must start something. This brown beer, it's only 1% of alcohol. You mustn't take too much. In Belgium, we call it bier de table. It's for the kids. When you eat, but the kids can, there's white beer like this, or brown beer. And you give it to the kids when they eat. In Belgium, it's like that. There. And then you put salt. Pepper. Then you leave it cook 20-25 minutes. Slowly, very, very slowly. There. There. See you for the next. When the bullet will be cooked, I'm going to show you what you're going to do with the bullet. See you later. And if it's too soft, if it's too liquid, you can put a little bit maizena or a little bit flour. You put to make it a little bit more gooey.
Creamy.
You see the bullet? They must be crispy. It's not yet crispy. This is a food that everybody can do. It's very cheap and very easy. And it's very good food.
And if they're planning to visit in Belgium, so they shouldn't miss trying this
Yes, if
food.
you go to the restaurant, you eat boulet sauce liégeoise with frites. In Belgium, we eat with frites. Sometimes there's people who likes rice. You can make rice or frites.
Frit means French fries.
Yes, French fries. But the French fries is very delicious. See? It's a little bit gluey. Like the
Or creamy sauce.
creamy sauce. You see, you put a little bit maizena.
Corn flour mixture.
Not too much.
And then there's one thing he forgot to
Yes.
share earlier, but other ingredients. So that's
You put two
the
things
laurel.
Two like that in the sauce. I forgot the principal. The thought of my wife. She was playing with my balls. Now we will taste. It's enough. Let me taste. It's already 25 minutes it cooks. Perfect. "40 minutes. Very good. And you take this. You take the sauce. You take a spoon. And then you take each meat and you put it in the sauce. Not nice that. And the sauce is going to go inside of the boulet. And the last one. Okay, my friend, this is the recipe of the boulet liégeoise. All I can say, bon appétit, mes amis.